Chaos Night. Make sure to unload the food boxes into the freezer room and mop the floors. Also, the customers is always right. I hate this job. Let's check. Ano to? Storage room. Storage room. Okay, clock in na tayo. Yo! Hello first customer. Talk. Hello. Karen. Naku, Karen. Diyos ko po. Hi. Is it your first day on the job? I want the usual. What do you mean the usual? Kakasabi lang eh. I want a hot dog. Make it quickly before I call the manager. Ah, okay ma'am. Inuna muna mag-restock bago magluto. Hindi ako kasya dun. Ang hirap naman na ito. Ano ba yun? Hindi ako kasya. Yeah, what a sigma. Here you go ma'am. That will be $1. $1 ay $1.99. This hot dog is room temperature. Be getting any of my money for this rubbish and what the fuck you mean? I will be calling your manager. Lo, ayos to ah. Lo, ayos yun ah. Saan pupunta? Yo, yo, yo! Yo, yo! Yo! What are you trying to imply, dude? Nothing. Your burger is coming right up. Dude! Bro, this is your fucking burger. Thanks, dude. I thought this kiosk would have been closed down by now. Why would you think that? You haven't heard the news, dude? The last guy who worked here went crazy and vanished. He had been missing for 2 months. Stop trying to scare me with a made-up story. The burger cost $2. Here's $3. Oh, $3. Eh, grabe. Keep the change. Yo, decente bro, thanks. Yo, customer of the month. Clock out ka na rin. Clock out. Close. Yung meron pala dito. What's this? Bathroom. Yo, yo, yo. Okay, tara. Interact. Hindi kasi ako Hello there. Hello, ma'am. Hey, what can I get for you? I like a medium French fries, please. What's that supposed to mean? Yo, ang weird. Sabay umalis. Sabay umalis. Ayun. Wala. Wala na. Close na natin. Next customer. Where's our next customer? Yes. Meet the weird. Yo. Yung badge sabi, meet the weird na. Can I get you anything? Burger. Alright, coming, sir. Pride. There you go, sir. Your burger. Here you go, pal. That'll be $2.99. You will be next. Yo, do you mean? What do you mean? Ang weird na. Weirdo. Nagmo-moonwalk. That's weird. Did that guy just leave without paying? Ayaw nga, no? Hindi pala nagbayad. Push it. No, eto na. Nako, nawalan na ng kuryente. No. I think, ayun eh. Nasa outside. Outside ba? Outside. Nagulat ako dun. Blue shirt guy. Hey, Pipsqueak. Sorry. I'm just surprised you're still working here. Thought you would have quit by now, lol. Stop trying to scare me. I need the money. Okay, but I like a protein burger. Protein burger, you mean? Yes, beep. Where is it? Ayan. Thanks, bud. How much will it cost me? Ano, bakit tatakas ka na naman? Ay, siya tayo nagbigay na nakaraan ng $3. Ay, hindi ko nakuha. Hindi ko nakuha. Kailangan pala yan. Here's $3. Keep the change again. You could use it. Pipsqueak. Yo. Sige. Salamat, Su. Kung saan yun pupunta. Weird tumakbo eh. Ano yun? Get back in your car. Hello, out of gas. I think I saw a spare gas can around here somewhere. Lata daw. Lata ng gas. Dito sa likod. Meron pala kami dito ano. Ice. Ayun na pala. May gas na. Go. Ano ba yun? Subukan may manggulat. You can... Laki. May police officer pala lang pa. Palang nga to. Hello sir, is there a problem? I was expecting to meet the manager here. Well, unfortunately for you, wala yung manager namin. Sure, let me hear it. There is suspicious activity nearby. People going missing and random fires starting. Make sure to be extra alert tonight. Alright, officer. Lampang officer, nadadapa ka pa. Sorry to hear that, officer. I'll make sure to be ready, just in case. Ano ba yung nakiklik ko? Great. Ito nga yung jump scare. While I'm here, can I get a hot dog? Of course, of course, of course. Si Ellen na magsaserve sa inyo, ako na bahala dito. Thank you. How much do I owe you? Nothing. I'll take care of it for you, good sir. Wow! I will remember this. Take care. Okay, officer. Bye-bye. Babush! Babush! O, baka madapa ka na naman. Natin baka madapa na naman to. Uy, yo, this guy is a bit suspicious. What's your name, bro? Talk to the man. Hi. Hello. Can I get wow burger please? Grabe ka naman mag-isip. Pakabagal mo naman. Sure, wait. I remember. Ay, ito hindi nagbayad. Tapos next na daw kami. That wasn't me. Don't lie. I need the money you owe, or I will call the cops. Whoa, look, someone behind. Shit. Ina naman. Yo, ano yun? Sabay, sorry. Ano na? Hindi na. Oh, lady. Hey. Can I get you today? I like some fries, please. Alright, ma'am. I'll give you some fries. Grabe naman mag-yet. May balot pa yung fries eh. Mag-yelo eh. Okay. Thank you. Do you see them too? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? I'll be back. Take care. Yo, that was...